Home Assistant versus Tuya. Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your home automation experience without sacrificing flexibility or ease of use. Both offer unique approaches to controlling smart devices, but their differences matter. Home Assistant and Tuya are popular smart home platforms with distinct approaches. Home Assistant focuses on local control and customization, while Tuya emphasizes cloud-based convenience and broad device compatibility. Understanding this core difference helps you pick the best fit for your smart home setup. Home Assistant is an open source smart home platform designed for local control and deep customization. It runs on your own hardware, such as a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated server, allowing devices to communicate directly without relying on the cloud. This local-first approach enhances privacy and responsiveness. Home Assistant supports thousands of devices and protocols, making it highly versatile for complex setups. Its dashboard is customizable, letting users create tailored automation rules and integrations. However, Home Assistant requires some technical knowledge to install and configure, which might be challenging for beginners. It's best suited for users who want full control over their smart home, prioritize security, and enjoy tinkering with automation. For those willing to invest time learning, Home Assistant offers unmatched flexibility and independence from third-party servers, ensuring your smart home remains functional even without internet access. Tuya is a cloud-based smart home platform offering wide device compatibility and user-friendly setup. It powers many affordable smart devices and connects them through the Tuya Smart App or compatible third-party apps. Tuya's cloud infrastructure enables remote access and voice control via popular assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Its plug-and-play nature makes it ideal for users seeking quick installation and seamless device integration without technical hurdles. However, relying on the cloud means Tuya's functionality depends on internet connectivity and third-party servers, which can raise privacy concerns. The platform offers less customization compared to Home Assistant, focusing more on convenience than advanced automation. Tuya works well for users who want a straightforward, scalable smart home experience with broad device support and easy remote control, but who may accept some trade-offs in privacy and local control. Comparing Home Assistant and Tuya highlights trade-offs between control and convenience. Home Assistant excels in privacy, local processing, and customization, making it perfect for tech-savvy users who want to tailor every aspect of their smart home. It keeps your data private and works offline, but requires time and effort to set up. Tuya simplifies smart home management with cloud-based services and broad device compatibility, ideal for users prioritizing ease of use and quick deployment. However, it depends on internet connectivity and shares data with cloud servers, which may concern privacy-focused users. In real-world use, Home Assistant suits complex, privacy-sensitive environments, while Tuya fits straightforward setups where convenience and device variety matter most. Choose Home Assistant if you want full control, local device management, and advanced customization without relying on cloud services or sacrificing privacy. Tuya is the better choice for those seeking easy installation, wide device compatibility, and cloud-based remote access. It's perfect for users who value simplicity and convenience over deep customization. Both platforms serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your smart home goals best.